Guys, it's Ivan's time for Dollar General's any day deals, and I'm sorry that this is late, guys, but I had to upload this video 4 times before it would take. So let's get on with our deals right now because they are awesome. Of course, we cannot eat detergent, so we have to eat food. Let's start right over here with the Hellmann's right here. This is an awesome deal on the Hellmann's real mayonnaise. It is at $5, and we're going to scan that, guy. And let's scan it. It is at $5. It's at $5, and we have a $3 off one Hellmann's 24 ounce, and this one start at 20 ounces. So whenever you see that plus sign and it is bought, you need to hit it, turn to a check mark so you can claim your coupon. So grab your one Hellmann. Let's get on to the next one. People do not have down here, see that, guys, that Hunt's tomato paste? They are $1.75. Now that's a good price for ketchup right there. We're gonna scan it. It is $1.75, and it is 40 cents cheaper than the regular one. So I want to just let you guys see that because that's an awesome deal. Okay, another deal that's pretty good to awesome, even though they only went down by 15 cents, is the Zesty Italian salad dressing. Is at $2.75. Okay, let's get to our next deal. We come right here, guys, to the Oreo cereal right here. They are 2 for $6. So when I scan it, it showed that they are $3.85 per box. So buy 2 for $6. It is $1 cash back on each one of those cereal. 2 for $6. That's $6. Take $1 off the first box, $1 off the second. $4, divide that by 2. They are $2 each. We usually buy them for that price, guys. So pick up these 2 boxes of Oreos. My kids like to eat them as a snack, and they do look like a snack. I come right here to the Body Armor right here, the light. I've been kind of like flashing on sale for a while, guys. So let's scan that. And they are $1.35, and it's $1 off 2 coupon. So let's do the math. 135 times 2, take away $1, leave you at see. So take away $1, 170, 85 cents each. So pick up 2 of those. Now the next thing I'm going to go to, guys, is the Sweet Tea Pure Life. Now you guys know this is my favorite, or this is my favorite, the blackberry one, which here it is right here. The blackberry is my favorite. We're going to pick up 4 of these sweet teas right here, and that's because they are 2 for $5. They're regular $3.60. Let's scan it. When we scan, we see that they're regular $3.60. It is a spend 10, save 3, and then they're 2 for $5. So $10. You spent 10, so you're going to save 3. Take you to 7. Divide that by 4. $1.75 each. That's how much you're going to pay for that. So pick up 4 of those. We're going to come down here to the ice cream, the Klondike bars right here. The Klondike bars. You're going to pick up 2 of those. Oh, here's a Reese one. I didn't see that. Let me see. And they're $4.50 each. We're going to scan it. We scan it. We see that they're $4.50. Look at all these coupons. Save $2 off 2. Save $2 off a 6 count. You must buy 2. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and then they're 2 for $8. So we're gonna hit this right here because that's our manufacturer coupon. So they're gonna be 2 for $6 after the $8. Now these are all manufacturers also, so they will not count toward that. Now you can do it again and then get the money back. Okay, I don't know what's going on right here, but I'm okay with that. If I feel like buying some more, I will. And they are the Klondike bar. Don't hit that one because it's 50 cents. You don't want to get cheated. Okay, now next we're gonna go right here. Guys, I couldn't get to the cart because there's so many people. But if you go right here, you're gonna see the original Hush Puppies right here. My boys love these with cheese on this 1 pound. We're gonna scan it. And when we scan it, it's $3.50, but it is a $1 coupon, making those $2.50. So that's a good snack for my boys right there. Guys, next we go back to the brown sugar right here, the brown gravy. They are $1, and it is a 25-cent back when you buy 2. So $2, take away 0.25 cents, leave it $1.75. Divide that by 2, and it is 87 cents each. So Not a bad deal, especially if you just need something to get right quick to cook. So guys, I know we went over this in our do now deals, but whenever I can catch this again, I do. These Land O'Lakes butters right here are for, let me scan it. Do not scan the little butter, scan the actual butter itself. $2.75. This is a $1 coupon, making those $1.75. That's an awesome deal too. You don't get butter when that's cheap, grab it. Okay guys, and we're gonna come right over here to the Lay's potato chips. They are $2.25, but of course they have a deal going on. So let's scan the deal. And when we scan it, we see that they are originally $4.25. Now they have an instant offer of $2.25 when you buy 4, or 2 for $6. Of course you want that one. Okay, $2.25 times 4, $9 each. That's an awesome deal. So we're gonna grab 4 of those. Okay, so what you got is the 4 Lay's potato chips, the 4 bottles of Pure Leaf, the 2 other Body Armor, the bag of Hush Puppies by Clover, the Hellmann's, the Hunt's ketchup, the 2 packs of Klondike bars, the Land O'Lakes butter, the 2 brown gravies, and the 2 Oreo cereal. And we are not finished because I need to go and find those 2 for $1 cans of vegetables. We're over here with the vegetables. They are 2 for $1, guys. So that means they're 50 cents each. That's, to me, is an awesome deal. I'm going to grab the cream corn because the other day I do not, okay guys, watch. Do not buy dented cans because I work for the health department, and those, they should be removing those off their shelf if they are dented. But you know, we in a different world. Buy 4 cans of the cream corn. Here you scan, because the only ones that are 2 for $1 are the sweet peas, the whole corn, the cream corn, the French green beans, and the cut green beans. Those are the only ones that's 2 for $1. The other Clover Valley, like the carrots and the mixed vegetables, are not, okay? I do need some cream of chicken soup, condensed soup, cream of chicken. I'm going to grab a couple of cans of these. They are at $1. It's a good deal if you need those, and I do need them tonight for food, so I'm going to grab just 2 cans of those, guys. But I want to also show you some broth. This broth right here is $1.50, and it's buy 3 get 1 free. The broth, buy 3 get 1 free. Someone was calling me, and since I have been filming on my phone, they interrupts me a lot. And then all of the tuna creations are $1, and I found out that my boys like to eat these because they something quick they could eat and go ahead on about their business and get some protein in them. So I'm gonna get a couple of the lemon peppers and some of the ranches because I'm definitely sure they'll like those. So we'll grab these for $1. So I have $4 worth. You know, I do not eat fish, guys, so this will not work for me. But this is my cart so far. I'm proud of myself because we got more food and than junk almost. Okay, thanks guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share. Ivy's Coupon Camp. Bye.